in the year 2000, my wife was diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma and had a stem cell transplant at the University of Colorado. And beside being scared to death about what she went through, I was fascinated with the fact that they could take her stem cells and freeze them, and then she had a very large dose of chemotherapy over a 4 or 5 day period, which really destroyed her immune system. And then they engrafted her stem cells, and she produced white cells and red cells and platelets. I thought that was absolutely miraculous.
We actually take a small biopsy from the skin of a patient. These cells can be reprogrammed into cells that have, in essence, the same potential of an embryonic stem cell. That not only gets around the ethical issue, so we don't have to destroy an embryo, but it is also personalized medicine. So the biopsy comes from the same patient that you want to treat. This gets around the concern about the potential for immune rejection. The other area that I think stem cell research will impact very quickly is a relatively new idea in the field that cancers themselves are actually maintained by defective stem cells. I think we now appreciate that just about every major cancer type, we can find a small population within those tumors that are actually responsible for maintaining the tumors. And we really wouldn't have been able to do that unless we had been studying normal stem cells and had developed methods to isolate normal stem cells from normal tissue. So we can use some of the same methods to actually now isolate the small population of cancer stem cells from tumors.
Everybody has a family member or they have a dear friend who's been touched by cancer. And to think that we're now on the cusp of a major breakthrough with a pathway to cure for brain cancers, breast cancer, prostate cancer, leukemia, all kinds of cancer, that is very exciting, and that even small gifts will help us accomplish that.